Hi Facebook family, Stephanie from Mrs. D's Corner here. Today I want to talk with you about writing. So I know a lot of you have a lot of questions and concerns about getting your students to write, getting them excited to write, what should they write about, how does writing look in your classroom. So I'm going to share the strategy that I used when I taught resource. I think it was like 4 years ago, maybe 5, when I taught resource. It was an upper elementary classroom, so 5th grade. But this strategy is definitely something you could do with students in a self-contained setting, or if parents want to practice it at home, it's something they could do at home. And you could get your lower level students, show them the prompts and have them respond on like a GoTalk or their tablets. So I just wanted to share with you the strategy that I've been using, the strategy that I used and was successful with in the resource setting, and kind of just show you what it is since I've updated it and give you a look at what all is included. So above this video, you will see links for August and September. I have put them on sale for $1. So you get all of August writing prompts for $1 and all of September writing prompts for $1. You can check them out afterwards. So let me show you what is inside. So the first thing you're going to need, well actually you don't really need anything. There's a couple of different resources included in the download that you get. So for August writing prompts, and for all of them, I have them, they're updated for every single month. You get the full size screen of the writing prompt. So this is what it looks like when you make the cards. Okay, so this is just an example of one from August. So you get this size, so it comes 4 to a paper and you just cut them out, laminate them, and I put them on a binder ring because then I can hang them on the wall. And it's easy for if you have a writing center or something like that, you can hang it up there. So this is my preferential way of putting it in a writing center, but I have a way that's even more fun for kids. That's probably what I'm gonna start doing. But the full size comes, so you get this to one screen and you can put it on your smartboard or your whiteboard if you're going to do writing as a whole. That way is an option for you, and then everyone's writing about the same thing at the same time. If you want to do it this way, you have writing prompts here on these cards, and you can have them choose a card that they want, or sometimes there's a card, so let me find one that's like, August doesn't really have any holidays, but there are some holidays, so if it was or fall was coming, you could say fall is here. They could write about fall on the day that fall comes in September. So you could do it that way too, and I'll show you those. But this is one option to do it. You can do the full-size screen too, projecting it from your computer. But my favorite way is the sticker way. And kids love stickers, right? Like, I love stickers. I went to Lakeshore Learning and they had pizza stickers, so of course I bought them pizza stickers. So I was really excited when I came up with the idea to put these on stickers. So the Avery labels you're going to need are this one here. So let me see if I can figure out how to get this in front of you. So Avery label 8163. You can get these at Walmart and any office supply store. They're cheapest on Amazon. You can get them in like a really big box. If you don't want to use the stickers, you can still print them on regular paper and then just cut them out and tape them into a book. So you have the Avery label option. I use these little notepads because they're like, can't you get them for pennies at Staples this time of year? I have so many of them that I don't need to restock. I just put a cute little cover on it for August, and then you just take the sticker and put it in here and they can write about it. So I'll show you what, and then they can flip the page and write about it. So what they look like when you're going to print them on the Avery label, you have 2 different options. You can print it one, if all of your kids are going to be writing about the same thing, you can print the same one, which is the same as this one, so they're all the same. If you want to broadcast it and give them stickers, however you want to make it work, you can print them all on one or all on one piece of paper. Again, you don't have to print them on the stickers. This just makes it easy, no prep. You print and peel and stick it in a notebook and good to go. Or you can print it this way, and this gives you the writing prompts for the whole month of August, not October, and they all come this way. So you get all of them on a single sheet, and then you get them all on one sheet. So if you only have, maybe if you're self-contained and you have one student who is working on writing and he's able to do it independently, he can, you can print one of these and it gives him one for different days, and he can go through, or she can go through and pick the ones they want to write about. So here's a sample of some of the different ones. Trying to get used to me being backwards, not to you guys. So list 8 different things to highlight your summer vacation. So they're topics that the kids can answer independently and things that they know about. But then there are also some other ones, like let me show you September. And of course I printed September to show you guys because there's pizza. and y'all know pizza is my favorite. So September 5th is National Cheese Pizza Day. Use your 5 senses to describe your favorite pizza. Then there's the anniversary of 9/11. September 13th is Positive Thinking Day. September 17th is Citizenship Day. What does it mean to be a good citizen? And then all of the different months. So here's February. So February is, February 22nd is George Washington's birthday. Create a list of 10 questions to ask him. So it's just getting students excited about writing. And students get excited about stickers, guys. So stickers, and then things that they know that they can write about. So things that they know they can be successful with. Students know that they love pizza, right? They know how to be able to write about pizza. So it smells like cheese and it's hot. To the touch, it's hot, right? They can do these things independently and they don't necessarily need us there hand over hand doing it with them. So the stickers get them really, really excited about writing, and they're getting me really excited about writing. Like, I kind of want to write about pizza now. But you have all of these different options, and this is what the cards look like. These are January's. So if you want to print the cards, right, here's January printed and put on a ring. I just print them on, these ones I did print on cardstock, and then I laminate them and I cut them out. I don't have to worry about the edges peeling because they're big enough. And then I put them on a binder ring. I like putting them on a binder ring because you can put a thumbtack or one of those command strips on the wall with the hook and then just stick it on the wall, and you have all of them there. So this is what they look like when you print them out 4 to 4 or 4 to a page. Or again, you can print them out this way. You can broadcast them on the screen, or you can do it this way. So if you want to try them out, I've discounted August writing prompts and September writing prompts for you to give both months a try. They're both $1, and you get all the things that you've seen here, so all the different options. And then it will be on sale through Sunday night. I want to give you guys the full weekend. So if you want to try them out, go ahead and grab one and see what's included. Try them out with your kids. I wanted to put September on sale as well because I know some of you don't go back until September, so I didn't want to just do August for those of us that are already back in school or maybe in, you know, professional development already. We're already thinking about going back to school. So if you have any questions about any of this, please let me know. I have some really exciting ideas for more live videos next week, so I hope you stay tuned with me because I'm really excited to show you what I have in store. So have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!